Click. That one's in. Now we go on this side. Click.
Because the way that
peel
came
that off.
Oh, okay. So. There we go.
You just push it down then. There we go.
Okay.
Done.
It was built Intel, so that's just what I'm used to.
AMD is better for gaming.
It is now.
Used to be
you put in a bad
Man, you could find these before.
Yeah, I was saying, it's nice to come down. Post-COVID.
5060 was $300, and the 5070 was $550.
Yeah, I was tempted to pick one up, but that.
So it's like an unknown brand.
Well, yours is already open, right?
No, it's not open yet.
No?
No, neither of them were open.
You know, really.
Where do you want to put your fans? Just top and one block behind.
And that's just like a little protection kind of.
No, this is to move heat from the CPU to this. And then we'll have fans on this. It'll radiate in this. The fans will blow the heat away.
Through a process called conduction.
Yes. Okay, so where's the instructions again? What I do with them, Joe? Oh, I understand. Now that I can see it from the top.
Do you have to let the thermal paste dry?
No, you do not want it dry.
Yeah.
To do though, so
You can definitely do that though.
yeah, it's not gonna hurt
Yeah,
it.
that's a better way. That's the way I want it. It's customizing.
And just to be clear, there's Dr. Reimers who's making them do this, so if it blows up.
It's my fault.
Once
Take
it's
a
all-
picture of me now, okay?
I pulled
When I'm
that.
smiling.
It's right here.
Once it's all kicked with dude, it could have been resolved by now.
It's good to get experience with other stuff.
Yeah, those happen to be
Probably what it
state-of-the-art
is.
You can't
magnetic.
help it
with,
being high,
you know,
so.
with, No, I want that fan down. I want that fan down a bit. I want it right on the sink. If you can get it.
Like lower.
That you want it right on the heat sink.
So it melts. No.
Yeah, that's as low as I can get it.
Is that as low? Okay.
I can put it on the
No,
heat sink
leave
though.
it right, leave it alone. It just
fine,
didn't
though.
look, you know.
So generally it's 160 for this.
Okay.
Wow, they're connected.
Yes.
So
Now for
He's not trying to
RGB,
run
we daisy
pumps
chain.
and
That's-
Where do they connect to?
All these-
Should be this one, I think. Yeah, that's the CPU one fan right here.
So if you boost it,
Where is the,
the CPU is
safety?
Yeah, both sides at the same time.
Hi.
Right.
Oh.
I
you
took the
restarted
video.
them.
Oh, I took
The
the
IR
first
shield
one,
actually
and then
attaches to the
this is my second
Yep.
one. The first one I think was like about 30 minutes.
It's gonna be a lot of editing.
Yeah.
You see those like little flimsy metal things you have to put in there.
Yeah, the IOs, yeah, those are, I hate those flimsy shields.
The one good thing about this is that you don't have to put a thing on the back. It's already on it.
Yeah, it's in, yeah, it's nice.
It's no IO shield. That's the terminology.
Oh, I hate these little things. I hate them.
Why don't you ever say
Those
you
are,
like something?
Oh, I like a little.
You know,
I had a time with those screws when I was putting in my fans. Had a time with them.
let's have like a negative Nancy attitude.
No, they're necessary. They're good
Love it.
screws.
You have them, okay? They're in your hands. What if you didn't have any?
Oh, no. I'm not talking about these. I'm talking about
What are these
Face
acronyms?
your fans down.
SATA is, I think, serial ATA connection,
All
but
the knee tightening. I
that's
can't-
for your,
my hand, how my.
it's usually meant for your hard drive. You can plug in other accessories to this power as well.
Can you plug in any cable
Really?
to here, or is there like a certain cable that?
These are keyed so that only certain cables can go in certain slots.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these are generally for accessories. The most common one being your hard drive.
We
CPU
already
is
2G.
pretty obvious. PCIe is typically your video card, because the video cards require so much power, they're going to need more than what the motherboard can provide. Motherboard, I think that's extra power for the processor, but don't quote me on that. That one, I don't know. That it's labeled 12 volts. Maybe that's for lighting.
Thanks from some of them.
I've ever seen a PC
Look.
turn its lights on the first time.
That's how mine was.
Ever.
That is so cool.
That looks incredible.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Huh?
It was, I can replug it in.
It's
Awesome.
It's like I posted.
Dude, if it goes into, we need a keyboard to go to BIOS. Or does it go straight to BIOS if it doesn't have an OS?
It goes straight to BIOS.
Yeah, it might go straight to BIOS.
That is
Is
so
it in
cool.
BIOS right now?